Alright guys, welcome back to video number 2 of the Fuller Vise 4.5-inch rebuild. From the last video I had a hard time getting static jaw into the housing because of the thickness of the powder coat. That's no longer an issue. Now this video I'll just show you the opening closing action of the jaw. A very easy, smooth operation of the jaw. The powder coating doesn't affect it because it's already scraped off where it's gonna rub anyways. Four and a half inch wide jaws. This vise weighs about 26 pounds. And now as an added bonus, its brother, the Craftsman version. This one I did polish, fully polish. It was not powder coated when I got it. This one was made in the US. Well, there are some slight differences in the casting. Not much, but as you can see, this one has a little bit of a conical end, whereas this one is flat. The Japan version versus the US version. Not much difference other than that. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks.